Moving our lens wider, we encounter the PESTEL Analysis, a tool that broadens our perspective far beyond immediate market factors into a vast macro environment surrounding your business. It's about contextualizing your business within a larger, more complex world. So PESTEL is about gaining more holistic insights, and PESTEL itself dissects the political, economic, social, technological, environmental and legal factors that shape the terrain you operate in. Each of these can significantly impact your business. So let's delve deeper into each aspect of PESTEL to truly understand its impact on your business. Political factors. These are about government policies, trade regulations, and political stability. Ask yourself how changes in taxation or trade agreements could affect your business. Economic factors. Consider the economy's performance indicators like inflation rate, exchange rates, and economic growth patterns. How do these elements influence consumer purchasing power and your cost structure? Social factors. These reflect societal trends and behaviors. Think about demographic shifts, lifestyle changes, and cultural norms. How do these trends affect customer preferences and the demand for your products? Technological factors. Technology is a game changer. Innovations can disrupt or create markets overnight. Reflect on emerging technologies. How could they transform or disrupt your business model? Environmental factors. The planet's health is now a global concern, impacting businesses like never before. Environmental laws, sustainability trends, and ecological concerns can dictate market entry and product development. How does the push for sustainability align with your business practice? Legal factors. The legal landscape encompasses regulations that directly affect your business operation, from labor laws to consumer rights. Understanding the legal environment is crucial to mitigating risk and avoiding legal pitfalls. Understanding these factors in detail enables you to perform a PESTEL analysis that is not only comprehensive but also nuanced, offering a clear direction of strategic planning and decision making. But as with any analytical tool, there are traps to avoid. The most frequent missteps in PESTEL analysis include overlooking factors. It's crucial to not miss any of the relevant forces within each category. Ignoring less visible factors is a common oversight that can leave your strategy vulnerable. Reliance on inaccurate data or assumptions. Basing your analysis on faulty data or mere assumptions skews your strategic foundation, potentially leading you astray. Lack of domain expertise. PESTEL's breadth means it often requires specialized knowledge. Without input from experts in areas like legal or environmental issues, your analysis may lack depth. Underutilizing insights. Remember, the true value of PESTEL lies in applying its insights to shape actionable strategies. Not doing so can render the exercise futile. To make the most of PESTEL and sidestep these pitfalls, embrace the following practices. Comprehensive research. Gather information across all relevant PESTEL categories, consulting a range of sources and experts to build a robust, multifaceted view. Utilizing reliable data. Accuracy is non-negotiable. Verify your sources and data points to ensure your analysis is grounded in reality. Enlist experts. Involvement. Draw on the knowledge of specialists to enrich your understanding and illuminate areas beyond your expertise. Engage in scenario planning. The future is not a static place. Explore various future scenarios informed by your PESTEL findings to prepare for a range of possible developments.